What if you could make an extra $1,000 a week? It might sound too good to be true, but it's possible with the right side hustles. Freelance writing, reselling used clothes, taking paid surveys, and renting out your car or home are just a few ways to earn extra income. The key is to combine multiple income streams to reach your financial goals. Leverage your existing skills as side gigs. Turn your day job skills or hobbies into paying work. Freelancing offers flexibility and the chance to create your own schedule and workflow. Common freelance jobs include writing, website design, photography, voiceovers, and virtual assistants. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can help you find clients and advertise your services. If freelancing isn't for you, consider selling a product or service. Crafting, arts, and digital product creation are great options. Etsy and Shopify are popular platforms for showcasing creative work, but they also cater to tech-savvy sellers. Photographers and videographers can sell their work on Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. If you own property or a car, use them to make money. Rent your home for vacations or short-term rentals. Airbnb, Vrbo, and Booking.com are popular sites for home rentals. Renting out storage space is another option. Sites like Neighbor can help you find people needing storage. Renting out your car through platforms like Turo or Getaround can be a lucrative side hustle. Ride-sharing services like Lyft offer another way to make money with your car. Delivering food through DoorDash, Instacart, or Grubhub is a flexible option with lower requirements. Online side jobs can also help you earn extra money. Taking paid surveys is a simple way to start. Survey sites connect you with brands that pay for your opinions. Selling second-hand goods on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace can clear out clutter and earn cash. Online tutoring is a great option if you have expertise in a particular subject. Sites like VibeKid offer one-on-one English classes for children. Affiliate marketing can generate passive income if you have an established online presence. Join affiliate programs to promote products and earn a percentage of sales. Social media marketing and influencing can be profitable with a large following. Brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, and creating merchandise are common revenue streams for influencers. Investing in stocks and bonds can help your money work for you over time. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, and Stash make investing accessible and easy. Cashback apps like Rakuten and Honey help you save money on purchases. These apps offer rewards and coupons for shopping through their platforms. Budgeting apps like Rocket Money and Monarch can help you track spending and save more. Combining multiple strategies can help you reach your financial goals faster. Earning money from a side hustle takes patience, but it's possible. Stay consistent and watch your income grow.